In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Wayfair seller account 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what information you'll need, and how to submit a clean, complete application that's easy for Wayfair to review. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Wayfair Seller Sign In. This helps you land on the official partner portal. Look for the sell.wayfair.com link. That's the legitimate starting point for new suppliers. On that page, click Apply to launch the application form. You'll start with your contact information. Enter a primary contact name, a business email you check daily, and a reliable phone number. This is how Wayfair will reach you with questions, so accuracy matters. Keep your business website handy if you have one, since it helps establish credibility and showcases your catalog. Next is your business information. Provide your legal business name exactly as it appears on official documents, your business address, and details about what you sell. If the form requests company type or registration details, enter them carefully to match your records. Briefly describe your product categories and brand positioning so Wayfair can understand your fit on the platform. You'll then be asked for logistical information. Share where your inventory ships from, typical processing times, and any carriers you use. Be realistic with handling and transit times. Overpromising leads to late orders and poor metrics. If you use multiple warehouses, include all relevant ship from locations to improve delivery estimates. You'll see a question about shipping directly to customers, also known as dropship. Choose the option that reflects your current capability. If you can fulfill single customer orders and provide order-by-order tracking, select yes. If your operation is set up only for bulk or wholesale shipments, select no. There's also a question about accepting returns. Indicate whether you can process returns and where they should go. If you accept returns, make sure you have a clear return address and a process to inspect, restock, or dispose of items, depending on condition. Wayfair will ask which online retailers you currently sell with. Select the platforms that apply. If you're new to marketplaces, choose the most accurate option available on the form. You'll be prompted to add online catalog links. Share URLs that show your products clearly. This could be your website or a public catalog folder. Make sure the links are accessible without special permissions. Finally, review everything for accuracy and click Apply Now. Watch for a confirmation message or email. If Wayfair needs more details, respond promptly. That's it. Your application is in, and you're on your way to selling with Wayfair.